Nevin's Christmas Lifehacks calendar. Hello, good Christmas to you. My name is Nevin. I'm Brogus' brother. You see my hat? Why buy an expensive hat when you can make one for cheap? Sheep. Today I'm gonna show you my Constantinopolitan stuffing right here. Check this out. If you give this stuffing to a woman, she's gonna let you stuff her, if you know what I mean, okay? Also, this recipe is completely vegan. Completely vegan. Trust on me, so don't eat me. Don't eat the Nevin, eat the stuffings, as we say in Constantinople. So you start by cubing your sourdough bread, right? Your sourdough bread in cubes the day before you do this. Make sure it's stale, just as stale as Constantinopolitan sister sex. I'm just kidding. If it's not stale enough, pop it in the oven for like 10 minutes on 150 degrees. Okay, it's time to chop these delicious vegetables. We got celery, we got onion, rosemary, sage, and thyme right here. There's never enough time, am I right? Okay. And always remember the old Constantinopolitan saying, if you're a vegan, you get the vegan aina, you know? Okay, let's shop. Okay, we're back from shopping. We got our herbs here, the sage, rosemary, and thyme. Okay, we got the garlic. We made garlic, by the way. Oh, and here we got the green, something, and onions. Okay, now spices now. We got garlic powder, pepper. We got articles, curds. It's like poultry season. There's no poultry in it though. Don't worry. Don't buy grounded up poultry, or you'll get a poltergeist in your home. I'm just kidding. That would be okay. And we got onion powder and nutmeg, dude. I would nut inside the mag, dude. Okay. Salt. And there we go. And then you gotta get your tiny fork and mix it up a little bit so it's all even and good and mixed up together. Here's the amount of each. Times 2. I did times 2 for this because I ain't. Shape. Okay, here we go. Vegan butter, you know, vegan. It says vegan here and vegan there. Shit's expensive too. Nothing even died for this, and it's expensive. Why is it expensive when it could be? Shit, get a good amount in there. This is the only fat thing we have. We gotta make a lot of it. I said it from here, by the way. Okay, it's good and melted. Look at that. Almost looked like real butter. We take these things. Onion goes in there. I said onion goes in there. And the celery. And a little, you gotta salt it. You gotta, even as a vegan, you gotta salt somewhat. Don't actually do it though. No, we're gonna let these hang out here until they like soften up a little bit. Maybe 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes, something like that. Until they're better than they started browning a little, someone, maybe, right? My arm is huge. I can do it from here. All right, Nevin, you're starting to melt. Nevin. You're going back outside and see while it's doing the thing. Okay, just don't mess up my cooking while I'm gone out here. Don't worry, Nevin. I'll do your cooking, so you'll be back let inside backs later. You'll be good here. Cool down, man. When it's as mushy as Constantinopolitan pushy, it's time to add the garlic in there, you know? And also our seasoning blend, the blended seasoning we made earlier. Make sure to mix that around so marry them into each other so it's like one cohesive batter for a minute or two. We're also making vegetable stock with a little bit under a liter of water and 2 dice of vegetable bouillon. Now that they're all married all in one mash, you can grab your cider. I bought this thing over at Dixon cider. Okay, make sure it's a dry cider and it's economical because it's cheap. A little splash of that in here and give me a little bit. Let me taste a little one. Oh no, my piece of shit cameraman he's drinking all my Dixon cider. Deglazing a little more splash here. A little bit more. And a little bit for Nevin. There you go. Oh, that tastes so good. Now I'm marinated. Nevin, you made a mess. Okay, we set this aside for a little second. Here we go, our broth is going on. I added a 3rd dice because you gotta taste test it, you know? And to this we're gonna add some miso. Miso horny for human females, you know? Human. In Constantinople, we actually have a tradition of of having sex with human women. Some people call it disgusting and a fetish, but in Constantinople, that's just how we do, you know? Shiro miso, but it means white women, please. You squirt a little piece of that in there. And maybe a little olive oil. There you go. And let that mixed up. It's very important that the stock is warm while you do this, or it's not gonna be good for you. Now it's the exciting part. We're gonna put this into all the bread in a big bowl and add this in there. Look at that, how healthy that looks. This is what a feminist heart is made out of. And then you take your the green things and go over with the green things also. Also green things in there. And now come our miso vegetable stock. Get it in there a little bit. Not all of it. Maybe like half. And important to be careful. You're not mashing them together here. You're folding it. You're being careful while you fold this. You don't want this to turn out to be a shit mash, you know? You're just going from under and lifting up. Going from under, scoop up and lift it up. The sauce is in the bottom, the bread's gonna go down and get it for you. Add a little piece more of that stock. Little piece more of it, there you go. Not too much though, only the good amount. Only don't be cheap about it. And there you go, isn't that the beautifulest thing? You've seen. I added some more of it. You gotta go by feel on how much of this you add. You don't want it to be oversucked. But they need to be like they're sucking it in. They gotta suck it in. And then we add this to this. Okay, now we're gonna take the last remaining of the stock, okay? And then we add a good amount of expensive, not cheap butter, you know? Oh no! Take a good amount, because it's made of plants. Who gives a fuck? Might as well be generous. I gotta get rid of this shit somehow. Maybe don't pick it up with the gloves you're using for that. Make sure to not pick up the butter with the Nevin glove. There we go, good amount. A good amount of that in there, you know, don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. Did you know it's actually impossible to fold this shit back up the way you bought it? It's fucking impossible. Okay, go ahead and grab that delicious melted butter miso and drizzle it all over. Drizzle it all over here and a little bit all over there. You know, it makes it more buttery. Who would have knew that? Delicious. No, don't look at mine. I'm not close. Cover me up. There you go now. Now it won't be demonetized. And for the last part, you're gonna do the oven at almost 200, very close to 200 Celsius. And look at how delicious this is. You're gonna do it in 2 stages. First covered with tin foil for 20 minutes. And then uncovered without tin foil for 20 minutes. To get it crispy on top, you know. I will do this tomorrow, because I'll need it for tomorrow. This is the day before Christmas. So I'll do all that when I arrive at the destination where the celebration is happening. I wish all of you a very good Christmas on you, a very good Constantinople New Year, and I'll see you in the future play. Also, down in the description, you're gonna find Nevin Reviews. I'm reviewing Superman movie. It will be up before the end of the year, so go subscription on Nevin's channel. Nevin's Christmas Lifehacks calendar.